I recently had the pleasure of co-facilitating a pre-conference workshop for a group of business owners who have been developing themselves as coaches. As business owners and entrepreneurs, you are avid problem solvers. You might be triggered to jump in to help solve all of the problems. Then you find yourself feeling the extra burden of work. As a result of this session, there were 3 key takeaways that I thought I would share with you. The new breed of leaders as a coach, not just a business owner, a VP, or office administrator. A coach who helps others identify where barriers are and what action needs to be taken to solve or resolve them. The first key is to learn to restrain yourself from solving other people's problems. Help them see. The second key takeaway is that we are so overwhelmed by so many things that we need to help others prioritize in small bite-sized increments. Help them by scaling these bite-sized pieces into measurable steps with specific timelines and resources to accomplish the 1 to 2 steps between your coaching sessions. I use a scale of 1 to 10, and clients scale almost everything they do. It keeps them focused and intentional. The third key takeaway is how you follow up. Is it regular, focused, and continuing previous sessions that include realistic goals and action plans? Are the steps moving in that direction? In other words, these key takeaways help you as a business owner shift from the mindset of the owner doing it all to CEO and influential leader. Next time you're tempted to jump in and solve, why not pause and ask yourself, how can I coach the success of others?